The teacher view lets you plan your course content, organized by section and along a timeline of the school year. Each white box represents a class period for that section. The header shows the class number, followed by the number of class periods remaining in the term. The number in the bottom right corner shows which period of the day the class occurs in. Just like in the week view, you can create, edit, move, and copy tasks. Drag a task horizontally to move it to a different class period. Because your planning is organized by section, it's easy to see how far along each class is, even when holidays, field trips, or other schedule changes cause them to fall out of sync. For example, if one section has an exam on class number 45, simply drag a copy to exactly the class period you want in another section. Use the view options to control what you see, including weekends and announcement icons. You can also filter which sections are visible, so you can focus on the classes you need. Next, we'll see how to keep your planning on track when schedules change.